What's up guys, welcome to Sampal Tech, and today we got our hands on the Digitek DTR 550LW tripod. So without further ado, let's get it unboxed. So guys, inside the box we have a bag to take the tripod anywhere we want and the strap to wear it on our shoulder, and the build quality was pretty good. So guys, now let's see the features of this tripod. We got a sturdy rubberized legs and up to 3 expandable sections to make it up to a height of 5.6 feet, which was pretty great. This tripod comes with a 3-way head with adjustable bands so that we could adjust the tripod's position for a particular scene, and also it comes with a bubble head to adjust horizontal position, which was kinda cool and also available on most of the tripods. Another great feature of this tripod was that it has multi-purpose head with quick release, so you can not only shoot videos in landscape but can also shoot videos in portrait or vertically, which was kinda cool. This tripod has a maximum load of 5 kg and it supports all gimbals, smartphones and DSLR cameras. So guys, these features and the cost of the tripod made it the best affordable lightweight tripod. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. If you have already subscribed, click on the bell icon to get notifications for my latest videos, and peace.